Creative burnout often doesn't come from creating too much. It comes from not knowing when you're allowed to stop. You sit down and think, I should really work on this. But there's no clear end, so your brain resists. Here's the simple idea. Decide your stopping time before you begin. Not after, not in the middle, before. This matters because when your brain sees a clear boundary, it relaxes. It knows the effort is limited. Short sessions work for three simple reasons. First, they lower pressure. If you only need to create for a few minutes, it feels doable, even on a tired day. Second, they build consistency. A few minutes done regularly is more powerful than one long session once in a while. Third, they protect your energy. You stop before you feel drained. That's how you prevent burnout instead of reacting it later. For example, if you tell yourself, I'll draw until I feel tired, that's unclear. But if you say, I'll draw for 5 minutes, that's specific. When the time ends, you stop. No debate. That clarity is calming. So here's the simple flow we'll follow. First, you'll choose your short time length and write it down. Next, you'll write one simple activity you'll do during that time. Finally, you'll write a stopping sentence that gives you permission to end. This three-part card works because it answers one question clearly. How long will I create before I stop? Once that's decided, starting feels lighter. In simple words, you're not building motivation, you're building a boundary. If this idea helped you see creative block in a calmer way, and you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version of overcoming creative block, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here, so you don't lose your momentum. And you also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, painting, design, and creative routines. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment and share how long your short session will be, because even one sentence helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have a question, you can always ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this felt clear, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who feels stuck, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.